Transcend here, and we're here to tell you about our newest event, Transcend Awakening, coming tomorrow to the Cooper Alumni Center at Arkansas State University. This is our grand opening, and we have a special promo going on for Arkansas State University students. For the first 100 students to walk through our doors, you get an absolutely free, just bring your student ID. This is a $75 training that you're getting to go to for free. All you have to do is bring your student ID. Here's James Hoover, our newest instructor. I want to welcome him to the team.
James here, and I'm so pumped to be a part of the Transcend team now to help you harness your full potential, dig deep, be your best self, live your best life, and transcend life today. Check out our website, transcendlife.net.
So come out to the show tomorrow, August 28th at the Cooper Alumni Center. Transcend means to rise above the normal range of limits you put on yourself. So I have a question for you. How will you transcend your life today?